Hello guys, we have a new video today, and with the title of the video it must be very clear that this is going to be really majestic, humongous, and in fact this is one of the, if not the greatest, biggest in size 1:18 model that I have so far. So let's just get started with it. I'm super excited. Using my Swiss knife, limited edition Ford 150 Raptor with the 37 package, performance package. Okay, so let's just unveil this beast. This is in every true sense beast, a main machine. Just look at it. Very clearly written, the Raptor 37. The loading bay, quality control card. This QC card comes with every GT model. This is again a resin model, very well packed. Let me just unscrew it completely. Let's just dive into the whole detailing of this vehicle. Wow, this is so beautiful, so huge in size. The sheer length of this model is humongous. It's very heavy. It's not light in any area. Very well weighted. So huge in size. This is, as I mentioned earlier, this is my biggest 1:18 model. I'll compare this with some of my models in future to make you understand about the size of this vehicle. The whole loading bay looks so fantastic. This is a resin model again, and you have to take more care about this kind of models because they are quite delicate, a bit more delicate than the diecast ones. I had mentioned this in my previous video also. So as I mentioned earlier, I'll compare this with my existing models, make you more aware about the sheer size of this vehicle. And just to mention again, if I've not before, this is a 37 package, performance package of F-150 Raptor, and this is the 37-inch huge, humongous off-road duty tires. The alloy wheels are of 17-inch, but the total tire size is 37-inch. And you can see the loading bay, it's also huge. This is a 3.5 liter turbo powered engine, As you can see, this is the Raptor grille, huge Ford written on the grille. You can see Ford mentioned in the alloy wheels right in the center. The photos will do more justice to what I'm speaking about. I'll definitely upload more photos for your reference. And on the bottom, this is Ford F-150 Raptor GT Spirit, 1094 out of the 1200 units that GT Spirit is going to produce. So this is a limited edition, like all the models. Nothing so surprising. The spare wheel mounted at the rear. Okay, so nothing much here. The interior is detailed well. You can see the steering wheel, you can see the dashboard, the whole thing. The front section is obviously much more clearer, and this rear one is a bit tinted. I'll definitely upload photos for your better judgment. The hood scoop, as you can see here, there is in very little small letters mentioned as Raptor. The graphics all over the vehicle, on the hood, the rear. They also come out very well, making the vehicle look more muscular, more agile. So this kind of a car you can take anywhere in the world. There is no doubt at all. It will serve all your needs, all your purpose. Beautiful looking. Footsteps, so you can just hop in and climb over the vehicle. You don't enter a Raptor, you climb over a Raptor, right? Just sit above the road. More of a conqueror. The color in itself looks so awesome. I hope the camera is able to do justice, because every camera shows the red color a bit differently. But I think so it's coming out really well here. I'll upload the detailed pictures of this vehicle for your better judgment. I'm in just love with this collection. So if you are like us or a model car collector, you should definitely get into it. And this is a resin model, as I mentioned earlier. This is much more delicate, but the details, they come out really well. The paint, it shines out. It's spot on. The only complaint that I have with this car is not only this car, in fact all GT Spirit cars, that the windows are a bit flimsy. They are not very thick or rugged. As you can see, they're a bit flimsy. That's a very small complaint that I have. Rest, I'm really happy with the car. The second obvious complaint with resin models is you cannot open them. But the kind of transparency that they provide compensates for the loss. You can have a good look at the dashboard. It's so clear. So if you like this kind of videos, do share with your friends and somebody who's a car enthusiast like yourself. And ciao, thank you for watching. I'll upload more videos. Bye bye.